In this video, we listed the 5 best vacuum cleaners on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ANDELI Auto Welding Helmet. The ANDELI flip-up design auto darkening welding helmet combines advanced features for optimal welding performance and operator comfort. Made from PP and originating from mainland China, this helmet boasts a DIN4 viewing area of 3.94 inches by 2.34 inches with side views, enhancing visibility and control over the welding area. It offers true color view with 1:1:1:2 optical clarity, ensuring clear and accurate vision while providing UV/IR protection up to shade DIN16. The digital precision adjustment with button controls and a clear digital screen enhances accuracy and convenience, suitable for various welding environments. Featuring for premium sensors, the helmet swiftly switches from light to dark in 1/30,000 seconds, safeguarding the welder's eyes from harmful rays. The package includes the welding helmet, a portable cloth bag, 3 outside lenses, and 2 inside lenses, making it a comprehensive choice for professional welders seeking reliability and functionality in their equipment. Number 2. HITBOX Auto Welding Helmet. The HITBOX Welding Helmet Auto Darkening offers advanced features tailored for welding professionals and enthusiasts alike. Featuring a super large viewing screen of 3.9 by 3.1 inches, it enhances productivity and versatility by providing a clear view of the welding area. The True Color technology reduces eye strain by minimizing the traditional green tint, ensuring better visibility during operations. Designed ergonomically, the helmet is comfortable to wear with adjustable headgear and a forehead sponge for added comfort and stability. It boasts 1:1:1:2 optical clarity, suitable for various welding processes including plasma cutting, TIG, MIG, MAG, and MMA welding. Equipped with 4 arc sensors, it offers rapid response and precise auto shading, effectively protecting against harmful radiation. Powered by a CR2450 lithium battery with solar backup, it ensures reliable performance even in diverse ambient conditions. Ideal for industrial use and DIY projects, the HITBOX helmet combines functionality, comfort, and safety features tailored to meet the demands of welding professionals. Number 3. DIN4 Welding Helmet. The E93H Solar Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is designed for professional welding applications, offering robust features and reliable performance. It boasts an optical class rating of 1:1:1:2 and a generous viewing area of 94 by 43 mm, housed within a compact cartridge sized at 110 by 90 by 9 mm, equipped with dual arc sensors and UV/IR protection rated DIN16. It transitions smoothly between light, DIN4, and dark, DIN9-13, states in just 1/25,000 s. Powered by solar cells supplemented with a replaceable CR2032 lithium battery, it ensures continuous operation even in low light conditions. The helmet includes adjustable features for comfort and functionality, making it suitable for a wide range of welding tasks. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN Welding Helmet. The ARCCAPTAIN Welding Helmet Welder Mask offers advanced features designed to enhance welding efficiency and safety. It boasts a large viewing area of 98 by 43 mm with 1:1:1:1 optical clarity and True Color technology, ensuring superior vision quality. Equipped with a digital auto darkening filter and 4 arc sensors, it swiftly adjusts from light to dark in 1/25,000 sec, ideal for ARC, MIG, TIG welding. The helmet provides continuous sensitivity adjustment and UV/IR protection up to shade DIN16, safeguarding against harmful light. Constructed from high-impact resistant material, it meets stringent safety standards, ANSI Z87.1, EN 379 CE, CSA Z94.3, and features lightweight, comfortable headgear with breathable padding. Powered by solar cells and a replaceable lithium battery, it ensures extended operational lifespan and eco-friendly operation. Ideal for professional welders, it combines durability, comfort, and advanced optical technology for optimal performance in various welding environments. Number 5. TRQ Auto Welding Helmet. This welding helmet is designed for various welding and cutting applications including argon arc welding, TIG, MIG, MAG, electrode, plasma cutting, and grinding. It features a robust construction with a helmet shell made from PP material, ensuring high and low temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, flame retardance, and durability. The helmet integrates solar energy and a lithium battery for power supply, offering stepless adjustable sensitivity and a quick auto-darkening filter switching time. It boasts a wide view area of 92 by 42 mm and provides protection against ultraviolet, UV, and infrared, IR, radiation throughout the welding process. The design is ergonomic, aiming to enhance user comfort and usability, supported by automatic SMT welding technology to maintain product quality and reliability.